Reversing cameras are now a common safety feature on many vehicles on Australian roads, and they are sorely missed when they stop working. The Mitsubishi Outlander from 2012 has some simple diagnostic steps that will allow you to quickly eliminate some of the possible causes for the reverse camera not displaying on the head unit.
This edition of Tech Tips proudly brought to you by the new Our Auto diagnostic tool, the essential MotorTech companion.
It seems that after years of trouble-free service, the reverse camera on the ZJ Outlander can stop working without warning. However, it turns out that many Mitsubishi audio head units have a hidden service menu with options to assist you in quickly diagnosing the problem. Once you have entered this service menu, you can select Vehicle Settings, then Camera Settings. This will allow you to see the image from the camera, proving that the camera signal is making it to the head unit correctly. Going back to the service menu, then Unit Diagnosis, you can select Vehicle Signal Check. When you move the gear selector in and out of reverse, you should see the Shift Position R option on the display change from off to on. If this is not changing, you should perform further diagnostic checks with a compatible diagnostic tool to check the reverse signal. Then eliminate any other issues preventing the reverse signal from being sent to the head unit. It seems that these head units may fail to recognise the reverse signal delivered via the CAN bus due to an internal fault. This situation prevents the camera signal from being displayed on the head unit. Replacement head units are expensive. However, there are companies that may be able to repair this fault, which could be a more economical option for your customers to restore this important safety feature. For steps to enter the hidden service menu and more diagnostic details on the reverse camera for the ZJ Outlander, see the Jan-Feb 2024 issue of VACC's Tech Talk magazine. Log on to VACC MotorTech or call VACC's TechAdvisory service.